Dear students, welcome you all in 1 mark solution. Today we are going to discuss about the 1 mark questions from chapter 6 of social science, geography, that is Earth in the solar system. So this is the name of the chapter. So from this chapter we will discuss about the multiple choice questions. We will discuss about the match the column. We will discuss about the fill in the blanks and we will discuss about the true and false. So before starting the video, I would like to request you all of like, share and subscribe our channel, that is 1 mark solution, where you will get solution of all type 1 mark questions. So our first question is, how is the sky filled with after sunset and in the night? Options are bright object, dim object, both A and B, and none of these. The correct answer is both A and B. Our next question is, what are celestial bodies? So celestial bodies, the options are sun, the moon, all the shining bodies in the sky, and all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Our next question is, which of the following name is given to the new moon? Purnima, Amavasya, both A and B, none of these. The correct answer is Amavasya. Next question is, the celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light but are lit by the light of the stars are named as. Options are stars, planets, both A and B, none of these. The correct answer is planets. Next question is, the celestial bodies which have their own heat and light are called. Options are planets, stars, satellites, all of these. The correct answer is stars. Our next question is, which is the most recognizable constellation? The Saptarshi, the moon, the sun, the Mars. The correct answer is the Saptarishi. Next question, the star which indicate the north is called. Options are pole star, pole, north pole, south pole. The correct answer is pole star. Next question, what is the name given to the full moon night? Amavasya, Purnima, both A and B, none of these. So Amavasya was the first day, and so the full moon day is called Purnima. Next, the word planet has been derived from the word planetae, which is named as Latin word, German word, Greek word, or English word. So the correct answer is Greek word. Next question, which celestial bodies from the solar system? The options are the sun, the planet, the satellites, asteroids and meteorites, and all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Next question is, all the planets move around the sun in fixed elliptical path. These paths are called axis, orbit, both A and B, none of these. So the correct answer is orbit. Next question is, why is the shape of the earth geoid? So the options are, it is slightly flattened at the poles, it is spheroid at the poles, both A and B, none of these. So the correct answer is, it is slightly flattened at the poles. Next question, the earth is called a unique planet due to neither too hot nor too cold, presence of air and water, oxygen, light supporting gases, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Next question, the earth is called a blue planet because presence of blue color, brown color, red color. So the correct answer is presence of water. 2/3 surface is water. Why do we see only one side of the moon from the earth? And the options are because of moon moving around the earth in 27 days. 27 days also taken in one spin, both A and B, and none of these. So the correct answer is both A and B. So the correct answer is both A and B. Next, why does the moon not have conditions favorable for life? Options are because of non-existence of water, because of non-existence of air, both A and B, and none of these. So the correct answer is both A and B, neither water nor air. Next, apart from stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous bodies which also move around the sun. What are these called? Stars, asteroids, meteorites, planets. So the correct answer is meteorites. Next, asteroids are found between the orbits of Jupiter and options are Mars, Earth, Venus and Neptune. So the correct answer is Mars. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. Meteorites are made up of dust, pieces of rocks, gases, none of these. So the correct answer is pieces of rocks. Meteorites are made up of pieces of rocks. What is called a cluster of millions of stars shining white in the starry sky? Options are stars, planets, Milky Way galaxy and satellites. So the correct answer is Milky Way galaxy. Next, what makes the universe? Millions of galaxies, millions of stars, Earth or satellite? So the correct answer is millions of galaxies. Which is the nearest star to the Earth? Sun, Moon, Venus, Mercury. So the correct answer is Sun. How many days does it take the Earth to travel around the Sun? 368 days, 367 days, 365 days, 362 days. The correct option is 365 days. Which planet is the only one that supports animal and plant life? Earth, Venus, Neptune and Sun. The correct answer is Earth. How many planets in our solar system? 10, 7, 8 or 5? The correct answer is 8. The Earth completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis respectively. 25 days and 243 days, 11 years, 11 months and 9 hours, 56 minutes, 365 days and 1 day, and 84 years and 17 hours, 14 minutes. So the correct answer is 365 days and 1 day. The Jupiter completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on the axis respectively. And the options are 255 days and 253 days, 11 year, 11 month and 9 hours, 56 minutes, 365 days and 1 day, 84 years and 17 hours, 14 minutes. So the correct answer is 11 years, 11 months and 9 hours, 56 minutes. For one spin on axis, 9 hours, 56 minutes and one orbit around Sun is 11 year, 11 month. Next is the Neptune completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on the axis respectively, and the correct answer is 164 years for one orbit around Sun and one spin. It takes 16 hours 7 minutes. So now we are going to discuss about the next type of questions, that is match the column questions. So match the column, you have to match the column A with the column B. In column A, there are name of planets are given, and in column B, the distance from the sun or distance between the planet and the sun is given. So you have to find out the correct distance. So Mercury, as we know that Mercury is 58 million kilometer is away from sun. Venus is 108 million kilometer, and Earth is 150 million kilometer, and Mars is 228 million kilometer away from sun. So you can see here the correct answer. The next is you have to match the Jupiter. So Jupiter is how much distance? That is 778 million kilometer. Saturn is 1400 or 1200 kilometer. Uranus is 2869 kilometer, and Neptune is 4496 kilometer. So you can see that if you remember the name of planets in a serial, then you can decide it is in the sequence. So next we will discuss about the fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blanks is the planet known as the Earth twins is, the correct answer is Venus. The Earth is called blue planet because of 2/3 surface is covered by water. Next question. All the planets move around the sun in a elliptical path. Next question. The pole star indicate the direction to the north. Next question. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Next question. A group of forming various patterns is called constellation. So that is the stars. A group of stars forming various patterns is called constellation. Next question. A huge system of stars is called galaxy. Next question. Is the closest celestial body to our Earth? And the correct option answer is moon. Next is the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Next question is Earth is the nearest planet to the sun. Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Next question is the stars are not visible during the day because sunlight is very bright. And the next question is a group of stars forming various patterns is called a constellation. Next question is the closest celestial body to our Earth the moon? Next question is planets do not have their own heat and light. We will discuss about the next type of question, that is true and false. So the Mercury completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 88 days and 59 days respectively. This is the correct statement. Statement is true. Next, the Venus completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 255 days and 243 days respectively. This is also a correct statement. Next is the Earth completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 255 days and 243 days respectively. This is a false statement because Earth needs 365 days and 1 day respectively. Next, the Mars completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 687 days and 1 day respectively. So this statement is also true. The next, the Jupiter completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 88 days and 59 days respectively. This is a false statement as Jupiter needs 11 years, 11 months and 9 hours 56 minutes. Next question, the Saturn completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 29 years, 5 months and 10 hours 40 minutes respectively. The statement is correct statement. The Uranus completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 84 years and 17 hours 14 minutes respectively. This is the correct statement. And the Neptune completes one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis in 166 years and 16 hours 7 minutes respectively. This is a false statement, as Neptune needs 164 years, not 66, 164 years and 16 hours 7 minutes to complete one orbit around Sun and one spin on axis. So that's all for today for this chapter. Very soon we will post the chapter 2 of geography and other chapters of class 6 social science. You can like, subscribe, share and subscribe the 1 mark solution, where you will get the solution of all type of 1 mark question for all chapters and all subject, as well as for class 6 to 12. Thank you so much.